Now, rainy weather is upon us, and with rainy weather comes potential water intrusion. Here's what you can do in response to a water intrusion, such as a roof leak. If you have a water intrusion, address it right away. Under the right conditions, mold can grow within 48 hours. And if you wait until there's mold, your costs may have just doubled or tripled. Essentially, your job is cost effective based on the time at which you handle it. Responding to it right away can save your time, home, and money all in one sweep. And it can also help you save materials instead of having to remove them entirely. Now, we can help get that leak stopped, dry your home, and save those materials if possible. This can eliminate the cost of asbestos testing prior to the removal of the affected materials, the cost of removing the materials, and the cost of clearance testing to ensure that the mold was properly removed. The timing you choose to handle the situation of wet materials could be the difference of thousands of dollars. Remember, the faster you move, the less damage that will continue to occur. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to give us a call, 951-303-1333.